Hey, what's up, y'all? It's Mr.NoFace. It's been a long time, but we got some, restocks. Got some good stuff to show you. Working on this new setup. It's crazy, but gotta still do the one hand in the videos. But as you see, these are some Yeezy Boost 700. Let's see, got the box. Size 7.5. They run small, so yeah, these are not my size. See, I try to get the light effects, but not too sure. Everybody's seen these, texture's pretty good. Everything about the shoe, you've seen it all. You've seen it all. So these are fire. End up grabbing these on a restock. I think I said that previously, but these are dope. Put that back in the box. Get this one out of here. And we have another Nike box. Yeah, and did us bad with this packaging, but these are called the Furyosas. Size 9. Men's, can't remember, it says men, doesn't specify, but if you know, you know. Grab these from End. I haven't seen any receipt. These are pretty fire. These are also not my pair, but the textures and the quality is amazing. Yeah, these are like really dope. I like them. That double sole is, and that bottom is just ridiculous. Yeah, man, it's a quality shoe here. Comfort level, I would not know. I will find out more about them. Yeah, these are fire. These are really dope. Comes with, I don't think they come with square size. Give me off-white vibes with the lacing system. But these are fire also. Yeah, I gotta definitely get a stand for my phone. And we have one more pair. Sorry about the hand in the video. Oh yeah, this is the new apartment, by the way. It's a new spot. So here we have another Nike box once again. And we have the Nike Go Flyeases. Size 8. I think it's size 8 in men, if I'm mistaken, and a 6.5. And I gotta look that up and get back to you. So you've seen them all. So these shoes I wasn't able to get them on release date, but I was able to grab them off of StockX for a good price. Wish I could definitely use both hands to show you the system. As you can see, this is a fire shoe. I'm gonna see if I could put my phone here and it doesn't fall. And it may actually fall. Wait, let's see. Oh, okay. All right, got a loose stand action here. All right, so get that out the way. So the shoe does this, and you're able to put them on, and you slide your foot in, and sorry about the horrible camera angle, but definitely I'm gonna get better quality setup. So, and you slide your foot in and it goes down. So once again, the colors are amazing. The textures is really, the knit, I don't think it's a stretch knit, but it's all in all good quality shoe. Yeah, man, got Nike branding. And this looks like it's everlasting. Yes. Okay. Another Nike StockX. Trying to see the interior tag. Let's see if we could get it. Hold on. Yeah, so once again, definitely good shoe. Hope she loves them. Hope they fit. And yeah, that's it. I had more stuff to show, but unfortunately, oh yeah, packaging fell. But definitely thank you guys for watching, subscribing, loving the videos, and see you soon.